All right, guys, we are about to run a GTR. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at what is it? Etheridge Down? Hey, Mike, what's the name of the track?
This is US 43. Etheridge Motorsports. And it's just motorsports parts.
Used to be US 43.
Yeah, used to be US.
All right, so we are here. We got Car Mob, we got Mustang Mike 256, we got next gen car guys, and we got Sublime GT500. Which, jump to that footage real quick.
All the trash talk, all the smack talk comes down to this.
Oh yeah. Hey, hurry up so I can gap this fool. Hurry up so I can gap this fool. All right, so Sublime, just so you know, I just drove in 2 hours, swapped tires, haven't even let the car cool down yet, and I'm gonna run you.
Key phrase: swapped tires.
Oh, don't start crying. You can do.
Swapped
Hey,
tires.
it ain't my fault you didn't come prepared.
Hey, I didn't have a choice. I couldn't get rubber.
You couldn't get rubber? That
Yeah.
sounds like a personal problem.
Yeah, well, I guess it is what it is.
He's already throwing the tire excuse.
Oh my God, here we go.
The tire excuse.
I told him a week ago to bring his Triple H down with him.
Yeah.
There's tire stores all around here. I said I could bring my tools with me and change them for you.
Yeah. There's no. But hey, you know what? There has been people going 10-6 on those tires.
Exactly.
So hold on. Hold on. So what you're telling me is that people that have been 10-6 on these tires can drive better than you.
No.
No.
All right, listen up, gamblers, drivers.
I've got more power than
come
they
back
do.
to 5 and 6.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, here we go. All right, so let's see what we did. Stop the data log. Thank you. So 673 at 105. So I think that's my best pass. Yep, that's my best pass. 158.60, 673 at 105. That's one. That's one. Watch this.
6'7", man.
Watch this.
You almost had him.
What's up, big homie? What you been up to? Hey! I just want to ask, how good did those damn tail lights look?
I don't know. I never saw them. I was looking at my lane.
How'd it do, buddy?
Shit. Well, I was trapped to 103.7. At the 103.9, almost trapped 104. But still 7.5. You saw me spinning.
I know. You're good, bro.
I just want to show y'all some raw and rare footage. Hey, when Ken puts his helmet on, he is a freaking superhero. Look at it.
Trap speed.
105.8.
Dun, dun, dun.
So as you can see, guys, he was on my live talking so much crap. And it was literally like trains. It was train links.
Tires. I had no tires. I had no tires.
There goes excuses.
He had
guys.
tires. I had no
What'd you
tires.
trap?
Huh?
What'd you trap?
103.9, 104.
Still wouldn't have had me.
Yeah, well.
But hey, good job. Hey, he came out.
I did my, hey, Cody, I lined up in the lanes. There you go, bro.
There you go. He came out, he ran. So now,
Even after.
now it's time to run the second car that's talking so much trash. Is this GTR here, owned by none other than Car Mob. This beautiful, beautiful GTR. Golly. Don't know if y'all can see it. Put some light on the subject, man. See, that's a man with a plan right there. See, look at,
Right there.
dude, that is a man with a plan. So look at this. Woo! Guys, you gotta love these cars, man. Gotta love them. Street Slayers!
You got a beer.
I can't even see you from here. It's like you're like a shadow. What you got there, Bubba?
Yep.
You got my favorite drink? Hell yeah.
Be the one.
All right, so guys, I think they're running some cars now. Then after that, we'll be able to line the GTR and the 15 GT over there. All right, guys, we are about to run a GTR. We spun a little bit out of the hole, but we got it. Woo! Spun a little bit, but she grabbed and went, so not gonna be my best pass right there. It feels good to be racing cars though. They called me out, guys, just so you know. They both called me out. That's a modified GTR, and then the GT500's got some work done to it, so thank you. So we went, yeah, 684 at 103.9 with a 165/60. So we dropped a 10th on the 60. We dropped a 10th on the big end, but not bad. 684, spun a little bit, made up for it, and yeah, not bad at all. He spun a little bit out of the hole, slowed down a little bit, but still ran a 684. But yeah, so it went from 673 to 684, so dropped the 10th. Spun just a hair out of the hole, but I got worried there when it spun.
Right.
I got worried for just a second, and then I was like, then it grabbed. I was like, all right, we're gone.
Yep.
We're gone. Yep. But guys, just so you know, we had $100 on the race, but that goes to a charity.
Yes.
So you chose the Children's Hospital.
Yes, sir.
So it's a good cause. It was a fun race. We were supposed to race Ruby against me, and that would have probably been the opposite gap. Instead of me gapping you, you've been gapping me, but we got to get that race in.
Yes.
Hopefully he'll bring Ruby back down when everything gets right with Ruby, or one way or another, probably have to wait till next season because it's starting to get cold. Next season, for takeover, we'll make it happen.
Yes.
The green car against the Ruby.
Yes. But
there
hey,
you go.
at least I came.
Yes, you did come.
I kept my word.
And you came with a beautiful.
I brought a car. I may have lost, but I kept my word. I came. I raced.
You came with a beautiful car too.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful car. Man. We'll catch it in the daylight on the next video. Tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. We got another video coming at you. Street Slayers, where's the black car?
Where's the black car? The black car is sitting in the driveway in Baltimore. I'm up here in the heat. I'm spectating. I'm making spectating great again.
There we go. Not sure we got our fastest pass, but that's what we were trying to go for. Guys, had an awesome night. First time at this drag strip, so had an awesome time. So stay tuned for the next video we have coming at you. It will be tomorrow with a no prep race. They're trying to talk me into internet, so I haven't made up my mind yet. Thank you. Y'all have a good night.
You too. Be safe.
All right, so 674 at 106. This thing is so damn consistent. So 673 and 674, and then of course we spun a little bit and running 680. So 106.08 mile per hour, 15960, 674. So there you go. All right, guys. I do not know how this video is. It's dark out here, but so. All right, here you go, guys. So 674 at 106 with a 159. Then we're in the right lane here. We spun a little bit. 684 with a 16560. And then our first run of the night, 673 at 105.8. So she is with a 15860. So she is consistent. So, all right, guys. So we're gonna get out of here. Stay tuned for the next video. We will be.
I'm a loser. I'll admit it. I'm a big fan loser.
Oh, come on. Hey, you got a sick car though.
Yeah, a sick wrecked car.
Well, that's that.
And
so
it's
what,
not my fault this time.
no, 18-wheeler tire got into him.
Yeah.
It's pretty nasty, but
It's bad.
yeah. Well, you'll get it fixed.
We'll get it fixed.
You'll get it fixed.
We'll get it fixed.
And then you want to take us out? You want to take us out? Hey, does she shoot flames?
No.
Oh,
She does on the road, but not stationary.
okay.
On the road, it shoots 2-foot flames.
Woo!
Following back to the hotel, you see him. Ask him. Hey, you saw him today, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
All right, you want to take us out
Take us out.
in the video?
If you haven't already do so. Oh shit, I gotta start that over again.
Okay.
If you haven't subscribed, smash that like button.
What?
Dude, don't have that nightmares, bro.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.